Hi Cougars, in this video I'm going to go over question 2.26, which is on page 35 in chapter 2 of your textbook. I took a little picture of the question and stuck it here for you, make it a little bit easier, but basically what we need to do is round each of these numbers to only have two significant figures. So round or add zeros to make each of these two significant figures. So let's start with A, that's 3.2805 meters. Now, right now this number has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 significant figures, but it can only have two. So what we're going to do is round the number. Because this is an 8, it's greater than 5, it's going to change this 2 to a 3. We're going to round up, just like your traditional rounding rules that you probably remember. So this number becomes 3.3 meters. That's two significant figures. All right, B, we have 1.855 times 10 to the second grams. We need two significant figures. Right now it's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, because this is 5 or greater, that makes me round this number up. So instead of 1.8, it's 1.9. And then don't forget the rest of your number times 10 to the second grams. Letter C you could really do two ways. Right now, this number 0.002341 milliliters has 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figures. Remember, leading zeros are not significant. So I can either just round the number to be 0.0023, and the 3 stays a 3 because this number is not 5 or greater, so we're not going to round the 3 up, we're going to leave it alone, milliliters. Or we can convert this number to scientific notation. So I'll write that, convert to scientific notation. So the way we're going to do that is start at the decimal and count the movements and move the decimal to be behind the first non-zero number. So we're going to start here and move this way, move this way. So movements 1, 2, 3. So I moved to the right 3 times. So now I have 2.3, two significant figures there. And then because I moved the decimal, I have to show that in my scientific number. So times, scientific notation, times 2, times 10, 1, 2, 3 to the negative third milliliters. These are both correct. Neither is more right than the other. All right, and then letter D, we just have 2 liters, but we need two significant figures. Right now it's only 1. The only thing we can do to that is add 0.0 to 0.0 liters. So now you see each of these only has two significant figures as requested in the question, 3.3, 1.9, 2.3 or 2.3, and 2.0. And that's it.